Capturing what the eye can see has always been the pursuit of photographers like us. However, we've been limited by the dynamic range of film and sensors. They just can't capture the full range from light to dark that we can see. That's why high dynamic range or HDR photography was created. It combines multiple exposures together to capture all the subtle highlights and all the details in the shadows into a single photo. The problem with HDR software is that it is slow and cumbersome to use. It's generally a separate piece of software outside of your normal workflow, and the results are often garish instead of natural. ON1 Photo RAW changes that. First off, it's built right into the ON1 workflow that you use every day. That makes it easy to find and easy to group your brackets together. It also means your finished HDR photo works just like any other RAW photo. You can edit it with the tools and presets you already know how to use, all non-destructively. Second, it's fast. I mean really fast. It creates an HDR preview in seconds instead of up to minutes like other HDR applications. It's powerful too. It automatically aligns your photos even if you shoot them handheld. It detects and removes ghosting automatically. You can even choose which photo is used for the details. So if you have movement like water or clouds, you can select how much movement you see in them. The tone and color controls give you everything you need to create stunning, natural-looking results. Then use the HDR look controls to dial in just the amount of drama you want. And don't worry if you change your mind. It's all non-destructive and you can change your adjustments later. You can even create versions with different settings and compare them. Your new HDR photo works just like any RAW photo. You can crop, retouch, and correct them as usual. You can use the local adjustment tools to enhance areas. You can even pump up the stylization and effects with over 20 flexible filters that you can stack to create your own unique look. With ON1 Photo RAW, you can easily manage your HDR brackets, merge them into new, natural-looking HDR photos faster than any software out there, and then continue to enhance your photos all inside of the workflow you use every day.